compared with other forms of equity investing such as ULIP, PMS, AIF or direct equity investing, how mutual fund is uniquely positioned? Financial expert Mr. Sandeep will elaborate on this now.
When you compare all these kinds of investments, so typically mutual fund is one product which is heavily regulated. If you look at the portfolios, the entire portfolio is being disclosed. So debt portfolios are disclosed on a fortnightly basis, equity portfolios, entire equity portfolio, all the holdings are being disclosed on a monthly basis by 10th. Every mutual fund would declare it and it is available on the website. There are so many restrictions on the fund managers who are operating. There are restrictions on the dealers who are executing the transactions, and any plan, any change which is happening, it needs to have an approval from the SEBI. So it's a well-regulated environment for the mutual funds, and you can start very small. Unlike, say, PMS or an AIF, where a large ticket of investment is required, and those are products which are also a very high-risk kind of a products. And when you are investing into direct equity, you need to have that expertise, knowledge which is required. So for mutual funds, you are basically hiring a fund manager who is an expert in that field at zero cost, and he is doing the entire research for you, which in turn is being reflected in his portfolio. And you can see these portfolios. And typically what is happening in mutual funds is also the SEBI has categorized mutual funds along the various categorizations. Say, for example, you have one category which will talk about the flexi cap, where you have where there is no limit on the large, mid, and small cap. Then you have a multi-cap kind of a category where you say that 25% each is being invested into large, mid, and small, and remaining is open. So similarly, so many the categories have been created. You have a mid-cap category, you have a small cap category, you have a value category, you have a large cap category. And similarly, in the debt side, you have some products which are based on duration, some products which are based on themes as well. So the variety is a lot here. And of course, the ease of operation is also there. The affordability is there in the mutual funds. And that's why probably it makes a much more popular case to invest into mutual funds than other modes of investment, whether it is direct equity, AIF, or PMS.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.